Hey guys, welcome back. This is Ishan and you are watching me on Zetech Media. We have another episode for you guys and today we are going to talk about blockchain. So what is blockchain? We are going to tell you what it is, how it is used and which are the information. So is blockchain confusing or even confounding? Because there is a block and then there is another block and then there are so many blocks and each block is on which it relies. There are three different little technologies on which it is totally reliable. Cryptography, hash function, so these are three important elements on which blockchain. Hey guys, welcome back. This is Ishan and you are watching me on Zetech Media. We have another episode for you guys and today we are going to talk about blockchain. So what is blockchain? We are going to tell you what it is, how it is used and which are the industries who run on blockchain technology. So let me just tell you a little bit description about blockchain. Blockchain is a method or it's a process of storing a lot of entries in blocks. So these entries or blocks are nothing but information. So is blockchain confusing or even confounding? Because there is a block and then there is another block and then there are so many blocks and each block has information. You can store any kind of information. So what is blockchain and what are the important elements on which it relies? There are three different little technologies on which it is totally reliable. Cryptography, hash function, digital signatures. So these are three important elements on which blockchain technology is defined. So as I said, blockchain technology totally is reliable on blocks of information. So there are so many blocks and each block is chronologically connected to one another. So the first one is connected to the second one and second one is connected to the first one and the third one. So this is how this technology works. So any information you are adding in blockchain technology will create another block. And then if you make any amendments or any changes to the particular information. So since we have these blocks and this block has information that is nothing but data. So are these blocks secured? Yes, obviously these blocks are secured because blockchain technology uses digital ledger system. So this is a kind of system which is programmed to design and track all sorts of entries which are of value. So we will discuss more about digital system ledger in another video, but right now we are just giving you the basics of blockchain. Let me just tell you, there is a very big misconception about people trying to relate cryptocurrency to blockchain. Or in other words, they think that the cryptocurrency is same as blockchain technology. That's a different thing, that Bitcoin is developed on the basics of blockchain and blockchain can be considered as the engine for Bitcoin. The way blockchain tracks and store the information is very revolutionary. So it goes back to 100 years, like maybe more than 100 years, a century ago, wherein people used to track all the transactions and sales and leads and everything in a ledger. So this was a manual register kind of a book which they named it as ledger. However, blockchain uses the same concept but in a different way. Now blockchains were designed to store and track the information, but unlike the written ledgers, blockchain uses decentralization of tracking the information, storing the information so that the information can be accessed from anywhere in the world if that particular information in the blockchain is on the network. Now, what are the benefits of using blockchain technology? It is as simple as, you can consider trust as one of the biggest factors why people use blockchain or the companies use blockchain, because the information here is stored in blocks and these blocks are secured. So that is something which every company wants. The data they are giving to the other company or whoever is consulting them for blockchain services should be able to secure the data. Then the next thing is accessibility. As I told you, it uses the decentralization of data. So what it does is It creates a central platform and you can access the data over blockchain from across the globe, if in case provided you have the network for it. And then accountability and accessibility. So accountability is also one of the big benefits of using blockchain technology, because now let me just tell you how blockchain is trying to revolutionize food chain industry. So now starting from growers to wholesalers to retailers, blockchain has defined a way of putting them together, connected them in a way that they have never been connected before. With the help of this technology, history of individual food items is accessible instantly. Test data, temperature log, etc. Everything we need to increase shelf life, minimize waste, improve quality and make food safer is possible. With this you can imagine how blockchain technology can transform our food industry. Some of the companies or industries who have deployed blockchain technology are Bitcoin and all the other cryptocurrencies, food supply chain industries, and also USPS. Their entire work is based on blockchain technology. Alright, to understand better what is blockchain technology, let me give you a small analogy. For example, let's consider Google Docs. So what happens in Google Docs is that you create a document, then you share it with a group of people. Instead of copy and transfer, what you do is you share, and this creates a decentralization distribution chain for all the users within that group for that one common document. So whatever I said about Google Docs is not everything about blockchain. However, the analogy is same. So in simple words, with this example, you should be able to get it. Decentralization, distribution, and transparency. These are the three names you need to remember about blockchain technology. Alright guys, that's it for today, and thank you for watching this video. If you like it, please like the video, share the video, and subscribe to our channel, ZTech Media. I'll see you next time. Until then, have a nice day.